With this new update, Xbox users can now pin up to 3 of their favorite games or apps right on the home screen. These pinned items will stay fixed at the top of the recently used section no matter how many other apps you open afterward. And here's another cool feature. You can now hide system apps like settings or the store completely. So if you're really looking for a cleaner, more personalized dashboard, this update is for you. Want to reduce clutter even further? You now have the option to limit how many recently used tiles show up. You can scale it down to just 4 tiles or go up to 9, which is Microsoft's default. That means your dashboard is now a lot more flexible and user-friendly. All of these customization tools are part of Microsoft's June 2025 Xbox Dashboard Update, which is rolling out this week to all Xbox users. To access the new features, just head over to Settings greater than General, greater than Personalization, greater than Games and Apps. Microsoft had started testing these updates just last month, so it is a surprisingly quick turnaround, and a welcome one for gamers who like to tweak and customize their consoles. Wrap up. This update puts more power in the hands of Xbox users, giving you the ability to pin, hide, and organize your dashboard your way. What do you think about this new home UI? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to AI Pro Tech for more tech updates like this one.